Hey there. Welcome back to the Review Scout. Today, I've got something exciting for you, especially if you're looking to make the most out of the holiday season with some serious online profits. Imagine having your own Amazon affiliate store that's ready to go in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. This software does all the heavy lifting for you, making it super easy to set up a fully functional, profit-pulling affiliate store in seconds. Introducing Aixmastore, the world's first AI-powered Amazon affiliate store builder that's designed specifically for seasonal themes like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, and Halloween. And the best part? No monthly fees. Aixmastore can replace pricey e-commerce platforms like Shopify and save you up to $27,000 each year. So let's jump in and break down exactly what makes Aixmastore so powerful. This app allows you to set up your store effortlessly, without spending countless hours figuring out the setup. Everything is controlled from a single dashboard. Just a few clicks and your store is live, featuring over 2 million top-selling Amazon products across various categories. These are hot, in-demand items that already pull in massive traffic. Plus, each product is pre-selected to match the festive vibe, maximizing your chances of earning affiliate commissions. What's even more impressive is that Aixmastore comes with an inbuilt traffic tool. Forget spending on paid ads, because this tool pulls in visitors automatically. It's like having a personal traffic generator that runs on autopilot, bringing potential buyers right to your store. And it doesn't stop there. Aixmastore also has a ChatGPT-powered content and graphics generator, which means you'll get high-quality content and visuals to showcase products without needing to create them yourself. It's all handled by the app. Now, if you're worried about hosting or domains, don't be. Aixmastore takes care of it all, with free hosting and no domain needed. It's fully cloud-based, so you don't need to download or install anything. Just log in, set up, and you're ready to go. And here's a huge bonus. There's a commercial license included, which allows you to sell these stores to clients. Imagine offering high-value, holiday-themed affiliate stores to clients with no recurring fees and no extra costs. This could be the start of a whole new business, letting you build and sell stores around the hottest trends and festive seasons. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or have some experience, the interface is super newbie-friendly. Everything is laid out for you on an easy-to-use dashboard, optimized for mobile, so you can manage your store anywhere, anytime. And if you're aiming for a high-converting affiliate business, Aixmastore makes it easy to design stores that are built to get results. With zero technical skills required, this is a golden opportunity for anyone wanting to tap into the lucrative holiday niche. You might be wondering if Aixmastore actually delivers on its promises. Well, from what I've seen, the results are pretty solid. The stores are well optimized, attractive, and filled with best-selling products that draw attention. You'll have a store that's designed to convert visitors into buyers. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have the freedom to try it out with peace of mind. Let's talk a bit about why this product stands out compared to other e-commerce solutions. If you've used platforms like Shopify, you already know the headaches of monthly fees, long setup times, and the need for paid traffic to drive sales. Aixmastore skips all that. There are no hidden fees, no subscriptions, and no need to spend extra on hosting or traffic. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense solution that delivers what it promises. And because it's seasonal, you can easily set up stores for different occasions, all from one app. That means you're not just limited to Christmas. You can also create stores for New Year, Valentine's, and Halloween, keeping your business relevant all year round. If you're serious about getting into the holiday e-commerce game, or even starting your own store design agency, Aixmastore is your chance. With the commercial license, you can build and sell these stores to clients. Imagine creating and selling highly profitable, fully functional affiliate stores for major holidays without putting in tons of effort. And this isn't just a one-time gig. Holiday stores can generate significant returns every year, giving you a recurring income opportunity. And before I wrap this up, let's recap the main benefits. It's fast, only 60 seconds to set up. It's fully automated with 2 million best-selling products. It has free hosting, no need for a domain, and zero tech skills are required. Plus, with the built-in ChatGPT content and graphics generator, you'll have top-notch marketing materials to help promote your store. And all this comes with an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund. So there you have it, Aixmastore, the Christmas Amazon affiliate store builder, an AI-powered app that lets you set up profitable, seasonal affiliate stores quickly, efficiently, and with minimal cost. If this sounds like something you're interested in, check the link in the description to get started and see just how easy it is to build a thriving Amazon affiliate store this holiday season. Before we wrap up, I have an exclusive bonus for those who decide to enroll using the link in the description. If you sign up for the software through my link, I'll be providing a set of valuable ebooks on making money online. These ebooks are packed with proven strategies and insights that can help you maximize your income and discover new opportunities. Once you've enrolled, just send me a message on Instagram with proof of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the ebooks as a thank you gift for trusting this opportunity through the Review Scout. These resources are designed to help you get ahead, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your online income. Don't miss out on this chance to gain valuable knowledge and an amazing remote job opportunity.